Ako po si Tess Alparaz, co-owner ng Notes and Flowers. It was derived from the name of my husband and me. Noel siya, Tess ako. So we just combine it dahil nung time na yun na nag-start kami, people are not just buying flowers. Pinapagawa rin kami ng mga notes. So doon namin kinuha. Ang unang pangalan ng shop, Aling Honors, Sampaguita and Assorted Flowers. Kasi namana ko lang to sa lola ko eh. And then eventually, as the year goes by, tapos nagsaserbisyo na kami sa mga teleserye at saka pelikula. Sabi nila parang masyadong mahaba yung Aling Honors. So we changed it to Notes and Flowers. Maliliit pa lang kami, yung lola ko, then yung dad ko is into the business of selling sampaguita. So nung elementary kami, na-train kami na magtitinda ng sampaguita if there's special occasion, Mother's Day, Teacher's Day, yon. Gusto ko yung ino-offer ko sa market, hindi yung nakikita na parate. I try to reinvent our business na lagi ako nagsusource out ng bagong supplier or bagong mga bagay na pwedeng i-introduce. Kaya yung mga napupunta dito, talagang mga naghahanap ng kakaiba. Yung nakalagay dun sa aming calling card, Notes and Flowers, it's the design that makes the difference. So, since then, nung nagsimula kami, hanggang ngayon, yung passion of doing our best, giving our best, yun yung kakaiba. Yung design namin, we don't copy from our fellow na nanditong naggagawa din. Kami yung nagpapasimula ng panibagong design. Proven na yon through the years. Actually, I am a teacher by profession. It's just that this is my passion. So, in-immerse ko yung self ko into studying what's the in and out of the business, what's new, what's the trend. Tapos, talagang in-associate ko yung sarili ko dun sa mga tao na alam kong matututunan ko yung mas marami pang bagay tungkol sa business. Yung isa sa mga naging difficulty ko, yung when we were just creating yung niche namin into the business. Tapos, during that time, nakita na maganda yung mga arrangement namin. And we were introduced to a person who is very prominent. Then, we set a schedule for the debut of the daughter. When we arrived to the hotel, we were rejected because our shop is just in Dangwa. He told us, no, I do not like you. I want someone whose name is prominent. So, they hired Rustan during that time. I cannot forget that incident because during that time, I am one of the major supplier of Rustan. So, when I delivered the flowers that were used for that occasion, the father was really in a big surprise that I was at the hotel. And then I told him we were just delivering the flowers to be used for the debut of the daughter. It's not that easy to arrive at this position now. First, you really have to seek God. Honor Him with the fruits of your labor. Second is to have passion. It's not all that money that matters. Kailangan nandun yung puso mo that you really like what you are doing. Because if you really like what you're doing, the result will follow.